Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect OpenAI to Deel for AI HR onboarding messages, detailed guide step by step clearly. To connect OpenAI to Deel for AI HR onboarding messages, start by ensuring you have accounts on both platforms. Log into your OpenAI account and navigate to the API section. Generate an API key if you haven't already. Copy this API key and keep it secure for later use. Next, log into your Deel account. Access the settings or integration options within your Deel dashboard. Look for a section related to external integrations or APIs. Select the option to add a new integration. In the integration settings, find the space to enter the OpenAI API key. Paste the API key you copied earlier into the designated field. Save the changes to finalize the integration. Now, navigate to the Onboarding Messages section in Deel. It may be labeled as Onboarding or Messages depending on your interface. Here, you will set up the messages that will be sent to new hires. Create a new onboarding message template. In this template, you can use dynamic placeholders for personalization. Specify the trigger for sending the message, such as a new hire's start date. Integrate OpenAI by connecting it with the message template you just created. You may need to include additional parameters, such as call to action buttons or quick reply options. Test the integration to ensure that the messages are generated correctly. Send a test message to verify everything works as intended. Check for any errors in the integration logs if the test fails. Once successful, you're ready to use AI-generated onboarding messages for new hires. Monitor the performance of these messages and gather feedback. This will help you refine the onboarding process over time. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.